Good morning, children. Today, before I start the lesson, I will tell you about uh, as to when you are on the road. Since the lockdown is a bit loose, people are coming out, and we are calling it as unlock one. So people are going out. Now, when you are out of your homes, what you should do first, I will talk about that, and then I will come to our studies. You should, as you all know, that you should have your mask on and should maintain a certain distance from the person around you. This should be and must be strictly followed when you are out of your home. And when you meet your friends, you should not be shaking hands with them. You should not come close to them, very close to them. From a distance, you should just say hi and hello and then talk. But that also from a distance. You will maintain the distance. This is the main thing. And you must have your mask on. Preferably, you should also have your gloves on. This will also help you to keep yourself safe together with increasing your immune system. All right. I hope you understood it and you will tell it to your parents also. Now let us come to our studies. Balance in nature. What do you mean by balance? Balance means something which is equal on either sides. That is called balance. In nature, what we have? We have plants and animals. The living organisms of the nature are plants and animals. So, here the balance is between the plants and the animals. Why balance between plants and animals are required? Because they are interdependent on each other. So, if one becomes less, it will have some effect on the other, or one increases very much, then also that will have a effect on the other group. So, balance is very much important. Balance is required in nature to survive properly. As it is given in your book, that if there is a certain increase in carbon dioxide which the animals breathe out, that means the animals increase in number and the plants decrease in number, then what will happen? Then there would not be sufficient food for the animals. Animals' food will become less because less number of plants. Similarly, if the number of animals suddenly increases, then what will happen? Yes, plants will not be so much to provide food to so many animals. That is also an imbalance. So, this sudden decrease or increase in nature will disturb the nature, and it is never accepted by nature, and it will be a threat to the survival of the natural organisms, that is plants and animals. Now, one thing I will tell you, children, that it is we, the human being, and our different types of activities that creates the imbalance in nature. We cut down trees, We build buildings, we build different types of industries, then mining is done, and all different types of things are done by cutting down the plants, cutting off the forests, and creating imbalance in nature. So it is we human beings who should be careful about maintaining the balance in nature. During so this we have to be very much cautious to maintain the environment, to maintain the balance between the living organisms of the environment, and help the earth to smile. Thank you, children.